Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 3 minus 1, okay, is equal to 2. Then again 3 minus 1 is equal to also 2. Now 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay. So in this question, here is one subtraction, here is one multiplication, and here is one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 3 minus, now 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to, now here is one subtraction and here is one subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 1. So now 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So the correct answer is minus 1, okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.